engineers, look here. The Lgcm 20 loader is an absolute all-rounder. Its luxurious cab offers a wide view and a standard small fan, but an air-conditioned upgrade is highly recommended for summer work. With an increased concrete counterweight, it turns stably and won't tip under heavy loads. The S-shaped oil pipes not only look good, but also enhance efficiency. The large bucket can do double the work of others in one trip for loading and transporting materials. You can choose engines from brands like Yuchai and Quanchai to suit different working conditions. If you want a loader that combines performance, durability, and comfort, the Lgcm 20 is your dream pick.